Is how to fix if your laptop lagging when you put your computer in charging mode in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The first workaround to fix this issue is right click on start button, choose task manager, and here under process tab find out the programs and apps, unwanted programs and apps if processing in background and other places. Simply select it and choose end task. Select it and click on end task. Find out all other programs and apps which are processing unwanted, which required. Then simply select it and end task. Choose one by one and apply this method for all the running programs. And check whether your problem is resolved or not. If the next method is open control panel in here under view Y, choose large icons and here go to power options, click on it and here first choose balanced recommended. Automatically balances performance with energy consumption on capable hardware. So choose balanced recommended power plan settings and thereafter click on change plan settings from here and change advanced power settings. In this new window, expand processor power management and thereafter expand maximum processor rate and on battery and plugged in options choose 95% or below and finally choose apply and OK. And the next workaround is update your driver. Right click on start button, choose device manager and here find out drivers having yellow exclamation marks having. Check one by one all drivers and if you find yellow exclamation marks against any of your driver installed, then simply right click on it and choose update driver. Search automatically for drivers and Windows will update your driver with latest update. Apply this method for all faulty driver in your system. This may cause lagging of your computer while charging. That's all.